Have you ever taken your time to do something carefully, making sure every detail was just right? That's called precision. Let's dive into today's word, precision. Ready to spell it together? P-R-E-C-I-S-I-O-N. That spells precision. Precision means the quality of being exact and accurate. It's when you do something with focus, care, and attention to detail. Here are some words that mean the same as precision. Say them with me. Accuracy, like hitting the target exactly in the center. Exactness, like measuring or cutting something perfectly straight. Clarity, like making sure your work is neat and easy to understand. Correctness, like double-checking to make sure there are no mistakes. Specificity, like describing something in detail so there's no confusion. Each of these words shows that precision is all about doing things the right way. Now let's look at the opposites of precision. Imprecision, like guessing instead of checking your work. Vagueness, like giving an unclear answer. Inaccuracy, like being a little off from the right result. Carelessness, like rushing without paying attention. Sloppiness, like doing a messy job instead of a careful one. Those happen when we forget to slow down and focus. Here's a great example. Sofia cut the paper with great precision to make perfect stars for her art project. Let's review. Precision means the quality of being exact and accurate. Synonyms include accuracy, exactness, clarity, correctness, specificity. Antonyms include imprecision, vagueness, inaccuracy, carelessness, sloppiness. Precision makes your work shine. Being careful shows real talent. Your challenge: practice precision by cutting, writing, or drawing carefully today. When you focus on the details, your effort always stands out. See you tomorrow for another Word Up with Sophia.